Traffic accidents can happen at any time, and sometimes just one wrong move is enough to cause serious consequences. Out-of-control vehicles, powerful collisions are sights no one wants to witness. In this video, you'll witness unbelievable moments on the road. Like and subscribe to stay tuned for more helpful videos.
Oh no!
Whoa! Live life like a rock star.
At an intersection without traffic lights, vehicles from multiple directions moved without proper caution. A car attempted to cross at high speed, while a truck from another direction failed to brake in time. A violent collision occurred instantly, causing both vehicles to spin sideways on the road. The following vehicles couldn't react in time, leading to a massive pileup. The scene became chaotic, with several damaged vehicles and minor injuries reported. Police and emergency responders quickly arrived to manage the situation and control traffic. The primary cause was identified as the lack of traffic signals and driver negligence. This serves as a crucial reminder of the importance of careful driving, especially at uncontrolled intersections.
On my list, as someone just hit me on
The camera captured a terrifying moment when a pickup truck suddenly lost control and veered into the opposite lane at high speed. A collision occurred immediately as the truck crashed into multiple moving vehicles. The impact was so powerful that some cars were pushed away, spinning multiple times on the road. The chaotic scene was filled with the deafening sound of crashing metal and screeching tires, leaving bystanders in shock. The damaged vehicles were scattered across the highway, with debris covering the ground. Onlookers stopped in horror, with some rushing to help those trapped inside their cars. Emergency responders quickly arrived, securing the scene and transporting the injured to the hospital. This serves as a harsh lesson for all drivers. Always control your speed, maintain a steady grip on the wheel, and stay focused on the road. Just one moment of distraction can lead to devastating consequences.
ਲੋੜ ਹੈਗੀ ਏ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਫੋਨ ਕਰ ਆਹੋ
What the fuck?
The situation was recorded when a four-door car suddenly swerved and collided with a motorcycle traveling in the same direction. The impact caused the motorcycle to lose control and fall onto the road, with the rider injured and assisted by bystanders before being taken to the hospital. Both vehicles were damaged, causing traffic disruption. The cause of the accident could be due to the driver's lack of attention. This serves as a reminder to everyone about the importance of staying calm and alert when driving, especially when sharing the road with other vehicles.
Look out, you got, look out.
The truck driver irresponsibly parked too close to the railway tracks, unaware of the danger. At that moment, a train approached at high speed and couldn't stop in time. The violent impact severely damaged the front of the container truck. Fortunately, The driver managed to escape without injury. Emergency responders quickly arrived at the scene to handle the situation and investigate the cause. This serves as a reminder of the importance of being cautious and never parking in hazardous areas, especially near railroad tracks.
It would probably be Thursday. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey!
Whoa!
Oh my God!
Oh!
How the frick did that happen?
From above, a helicopter suddenly exploded and crashed onto the highway. The accident occurred just as many vehicles were traveling on the road, making the situation chaotic and dangerous. Drivers and passengers in the vehicles couldn't react in time as the helicopter fell, causing an unbelievable crash. Vehicles on the road had to brake abruptly to avoid collision, resulting in severe traffic congestion. Emergency responders and the police quickly arrived to assist and investigate the cause of the explosion. This rare incident serves as a reminder of the unexpected situations that can occur on roadways.
Much stronger than ever before, but not as strong as I've been when fighting the spot.
Holy shit balls. Whoa, slow down, Mikey, slow down, slow down.
On whistleblower protections, why this case is the first major test of President Trump's power.
The camera captured a dramatic moment when a container truck got stuck on the railway tracks. As the driver and some bystanders tried to free the vehicle, a speeding train approached rapidly. The inevitable collision occurred as the train crashed straight into the container, causing a massive explosion and scattering debris everywhere. The incident paralyzed traffic, and rescue teams had to rush to the scene. Fortunately, the driver managed to escape just before the impact. This serves as a serious warning about obeying railway crossing signals. A small mistake can lead to devastating consequences.
Oh, damn. No, no, no. No. Ah!
The camera captured a dramatic moment when a container truck got stuck on the railway tracks. As the driver and some bystanders tried to free the vehicle, a speeding train approached rapidly. The inevitable collision occurred as the train crashed straight into the container, causing a massive explosion and scattering debris everywhere. The incident paralyzed traffic, and rescue teams had to rush to the scene. Fortunately, the driver managed to escape just before the impact. This serves as a serious warning about obeying railway crossing signals. A small mistake can lead to devastating consequences.
Hell!
I was looking at some of our GC and just kind of throw out a little bit of love towards Cam. I know sometimes out of sight can get.
The camera captured a terrifying moment when a blue four-seater car sped uncontrollably at high speed. The vehicle swerved on the road for a brief moment before crashing hard into the guardrail. The impact sent the car spinning multiple times before flipping over onto the roadside, creating a chaotic scene. Nearby vehicles immediately slowed down to avoid further danger. Bystanders rushed to assist, while emergency services were dispatched to the scene. The extent of injuries to the driver and passengers remains unclear. Initial assessments suggest that the driver may have lost control due to excessive speed. This serves as a crucial reminder of the importance of speed control while driving.
Being shuffled, fabric soap set across
At least let the air mattress, what the fuck is this guy doing? Expand. What the fuck?
Don't have much experience, but I'll tell you what I see. When I hear the Bible say, baby, I love you. It seems to me we all got so much love in left.
Something related to both. You call them the faceless immortals. Kara.
He's off his face.
Thank you for following ASCAR in today's video. We truly appreciate your support. Every like, subscription, and comment helps us improve. Your feedback is a great motivator for us to continue providing valuable information about cars and road safety.